Welcome to Kannaway. Improve your core health and more. Take care of the only place that you have to live, that being your body. This statement states that what we do is we supply the body what it needs to support and heal its ability to heal itself. If you're on medication and want to reduce it or eliminate it, consult your doctor. Get them involved. Have them track your numbers, and then they can reduce and eliminate your medications. Join the core health revolution. Our focus is to help change lives by addressing some key principles of good health: detox, inflammation, digestion. Alarming increase in disease. Only 4% of children born in the 1960s were expected to develop a chronic disease. 60% of adults today have at least one chronic disease. 42% of adults today have more than two chronic diseases. Fox News stated during the pandemic, 94% of 5,700 people hospitalized in New York with COVID suffered underlying health issues, like 41% increase in deaths from heart disease, 45% increase in asthma, 50% increase in inflammatory bowel disease, and more. 50% increase in food allergies in children. 250% increase in epilepsy. 300% more diabetics. 783% increase in deaths from Alzheimer's. 4,200% increase in autism. Now, there are different types of inflammation. You have the acute inflammation, which actually helps your body to heal itself. When you sprain your wrist or your ankle and the swelling comes, that's acute inflammation. What we're focusing on here is chronic inflammation at the root of most diseases. And ways that you can help to reduce and eliminate that chronic inflammation, you can do it naturally with this high impact pink Fijian ginger. And it does a variety of other benefits as well. Couple that with Fijian turmeric, which is also high impact, can help you to reduce inflammation and a variety of other underlying health issues. You couple the ginger, the turmeric, along with the muscadine, and you have an amazing trifecta of superfoods. Muscadine helps with brain, cardiovascular, overall health, the immune system, sexual response, and more. Now, this is an ORAC score, and what this does, it takes a variety of foods and compare them with the neutralizing of free radicals. And there's some familiar names on here. But as you see, the muscadine comes in at 89,500 on this chart. A lot of people are familiar with Noni Juice, which is a multi-billion-dollar company. It comes in at the bottom of this chart, only at 1,700. Now, I had a young lady tell me one time that, well, I take elderberry. I said, well, great. And I did a little fact-finding mission to find out where the elderberry came on this chart, and it comes in at 14,697, which is in the middle of the pack. Respectable, but it still can't touch the muscadine. Now, muscadine has a long history, going back. The first documented report of muscadine was in 1524. In 2007, Wake Forest University School of Medicine began landmark research on the numerous health benefits of the muscadine grape. And there are over 100 antioxidants that are known to support all these little bubbles that you see: allergic response, sustained energy, brain function, sexual response, inflammatory response. And at Kannaway, we have a variety of delivery systems for our muscadine, and this is a capsule form. And then we also have the oil, which is cold pressed muscadine seeds into an oil, which can be applied topically or taken orally. And here are the most popular forms of muscadine here at Kannaway. We have, as I mentioned, the muscadine seed oil. We have the freeze-dried seeds and skins that are in a capsule. And then we also have the fermented skins and seeds in extract in 32-ounce and 12-ounce forms. Now let's talk a bit about CBD, which is the cannabidiol. Now, they have a long history as well, CBD, and the body actually has CBD 1 and 2 receptors, meaning the body is designed to consume cannabidiols. The green, if you look at the image to the right here, focuses on brain and central nervous system and other parts of the body. The CBD2 receptors are peripheral organs, cells associated with our immune system. Now, as I mentioned, CBD or hemp goes back all the way to 2737 BC. And in 2012, Kannaway brings hemp and CBD products back to the U.S. and other global markets, becoming the first to launch commercial CBD products. The body endocannabinoid system. So when you consume CBD in a variety of different forms, you can actually have a positive effect on your central nervous system, gastrointestinal system, hormones, bones, immune system, metabolism, and muscles, and more, because the tests go on and on. Now, when I say tests, Kannaway does triple lab testing on the quality of their products. The products are U.S. and now European Hemp Authority certified and also included in the U.S. PDR. That's the Prescriber's Digital Reference, which means doctors can offer our products to their patients. Now, there's key ingredients, and we have a variety of different ways for you to get CBD. And we have the green line, which is a full spectrum, meaning that's in this raw form, you can get the CBD full spectrum. The gold line is a broad spectrum, meaning that some of the plant material has been removed, but a higher concentration of CBD is present. And then we have the blue line, which has isolates, all right? Meaning that the only cannabidolic molecules found in this product are either CBD, CBG, or CBN. We also have a salve where if it hurts, you can actually rub it on. You have a sore muscle, sore tendon, you can actually rub it on and get the benefit of CBD pain relief. And then if you're tired, all right, or if you have problems sleeping, you can take the pure CBN either in a capsule or a liquid. And then if you want to eliminate a deficiency in cannabinoids, then you'd want to take the pure gold or the CBD mints. And then we also have CBD box and a hemp box. Get back with the person who invited you to this video and they'll explain the difference in the two. We have a wide variety of products available here at Kannaway. CBD products, we have products that help you sleep. We have infinity products. We have with the muscadine, the ginger, the turmeric. We have coffee, keto fuel, which is a meal replacement, detox, and more. One of the recommended starting points for core health is the Kannaway Basic Core Pack, which consists of the ginger capsules, turmeric capsules, and the muscadine capsules. Another way is adding the Infinity Oil to that Basic Core Pack. And then you also can get the Kannaway Timeless Box, which comes with 2 Infinity Oils and 1 muscadine capsule. We also have the Kannaway Fat Loss Plus Pack, which has the previous mentioned products to include burn capsules to help balance your metabolism. And we have the keto fuel, which is a meal replacement. And then we also have another entry point, the Kannaway Java Coffee Box, where you get a month's supply of Kannaway's Java, the healthy coffee. And then once again, you have the CBD and the hemp boxes. There are other entry point options available. Get back with the person who shared this video with you and get all your questions answered. Or call Lawrence Adams, 202-415-4906. Please make your life, your day, and your Kannaway experience better than good, baby.